Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel in today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX, and if your air conditioner, guys, doesn't blow cold air, we'll show you guys which relay to check. Sometimes, guys, a bad relay can cause your compressor not to work. It could be a bad fuse as well. We have the video on the channel where you can expect to find the fuse and how to replace it, but in today's video, guys, we'll cover the relay. Sometimes the relay will go bad, sometimes they will corrode, so you will need to replace it. We have a video on the channel that explains how to test them if you want to make sure you test it before you guys buy one so you don't waste money. In addition, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe, give a like, guys, and let's start on the problem now. So you need to, guys, first open the hood of your Lincoln MKX, and right here, guys, okay, next to the car battery, okay, we have the fuse box. This is the cover for the fuse box, so I'll show you guys how we're going to open that. We have one thing that okay, we need to press in and pull it up. Now that relay, guys, okay, before I start on it, let me show you that the relay, guys, controls, okay, once you press the switch to turn the AC on, guys, okay, once you press that switch for AC, okay, that relay will be activated, okay, and it will tell the compressor, okay, it's time to run. And if the relay is bad, okay, the compressor will not get power and it will not turn. The clutch will not work and the compressor will not be engaged. Now, what we're looking at, guys, this is the cover, and on the back side we can see the fuse and relay numbers. We have, guys, a relay, okay, that we need to check is number 37. Make sure you stay until the end. Now, I'll share something with you. If you guys want to buy one, okay, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. This is relay number 37, okay, you just grab it and pull it out. And if you guys want to, okay, want to see if that relay is okay, it's good or not, okay, what you can do, actually, if you suspect it's a bad relay, you can take one of the other ones. Just make sure it's not an important one, because we have a horn relay, we have a relay for actually for headlights, so quite a few things, guys. Make sure that you get one that's not for the engine computer, okay. Switch them and see if that is going to fix your problem. Now I'll go ahead, grab one, guys, okay, and I'll show you. We're going to put it together, and pretty much, guys, okay, this one will be the whole procedure. Pretty simple, guys, okay. And don't forget to put your cover on later. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.